So in question 3, we have this wire that is connected to a resistance of R, and they form this rectangular loop with L and height 2L. And then when they enter these two regions of magnetic field, where in the first region, all of the magnetic field is directed into the page, and then in region 2, half of it is into the page and half of it is out of the page. We're given these coordinates on the x-axis, and in part A, we need to sketch the magnetic flux through the rectangular loop as a function of position x. So what the magnetic flux is basically is the number of field lines that go through the loop, which correspond to the normal vector or are parallel with the normal vector of the surface of the loop. Therefore, we can define positive and negative flux. Now, the question doesn't specify which way is positive and which way is negative. Therefore, we can choose this as we like. Therefore, we can simply say, well, what is for sure is that from 0 to L, we will have no field lines going through it. As when the loop gets over here, there will still be no field lines going through it. And afterwards, it will increase all the way until 2L. So all the way until here. This is when the whole loop gets inside of the first region, and it will be inside of the region for half an L, as then it will, as the entire width of the region is 1.5 L, so it will be inside for 1 L, and then it will start decreasing again all the way until 3.5 L. When it reaches 3.5 L, that's going to be over here. Then it will reach 0 again, and therefore we will finish with a region of 0 as well. And so we could have also drawn this on the positive side of the axis, but since the question doesn't specify anything really here, either way is fine here.